And hey everyone, welcome to DevOps Playground. If you are new to AWS and worried about getting surprise bills, this video is for you. Today, I will show you how to create an AWS budget so you can control your cloud spending from day one. So most of you might be thinking, since I'm using an AWS Free Tier, I don't need to create an AWS budget, but you're actually kind of wrong because there's a certain time that we are going to have a class project or a project to create a VPC infrastructure, Terraform infrastructure, or both Kubernetes and Terraform infrastructure. So you have to create an internet gateway or internet gateway. And creating an internet gateway or internet gateway actually does not actually cost a lot of money, because sometimes it doesn't even apply. Even if you off it, it still costs a lot of money. Even if you off your Linux server or terminate it, in the end of the day, you'll still be billed. You will still be billed by a surprise bill. Like, let's say you did 1 month without checking your AWS accounts, you could actually be billed with $50 or $100 because it actually costs a lot of money. So yes, you need you need to create a budget. I'm not an After you have clicked billing and cost management, you are going to scroll down below to budgets. You are going to scroll down and type budgets. After that, you are going to press create budget. Create a budget. Then creating a budget, you are going to see these two things: use a template or customize and plan. Using a template means they will just automatically create an AWS budget for you without you customizing it or doing anything. You won't have total control over it. AWS have total control, but customizing it means you have total control over it and how to create your AWS budget. So we'll start with cost budget. Yes, cost budget, usage budget, as you can see, savings plan budget and reservations budget. But since you are creating your AWS, you are going to name your budget. Since I'm going to name my own budget to monthly, 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 monthly. Let me think. Monthly limit DevOps playground. Yeah, I'm going to name it monthly limit DevOps. I'm going to name my own monthly limit DevOps playground. But you can name your own any types of name you desire. But I'm going to name my own monthly limit DevOps playground. After that, then set a budget. They are almost have daily, monthly, quarterly, annually, and custom. But I'll say that you should set it to monthly. You should prefer monthly. So then recurring budgets, we are going to leave it as recurring budgets. Then start month. I'm going to start my budget to start at February 2026. I'm going to leave it to fixed budgets because I need it. Create a budget that tracks against a single monthly budgeted amount, not a planned budget where you specify your budgeted amount for each budget period. No, I need it as fixed budgets. So my fixed budget says this is my AWS account for DevOps Playground. I'm just going to leave it at $5. $5. After that, then budget scope. They are all AWS services recommended. Filter specific AWS cost dimension. I should say that you should prefer AWS services recommended because every types of AWS services you choose or you work with, you still receive a budget with it. So I'll choose unblended costs. After that, then you are going to scroll down below. You are going to add threshold. Adding threshold means that you are going to create a threshold whereby if you exceed more than 80% of your expect, or you already reach 80% of your expected, sorry, 80, if you reach 80% of your expected budget, you receive an email address. They'll tell you like, bro, you have already reached 80% of your expected budget. Are you sure you want to continue, or you are going to terminate all your AWS access? Then you are going to write your email address. I've already written down my email address, and you are going to